Good morning and welcome to day 12. I still have my chauffeur. So we're going to go for a little drive today and we're going to drive to the... So we've done some swim spots in the north, we've done some in the south, we're going to go north-east. So we're going to go to the west of Dartmoor today to a little place called Shaw Prior. I used to work in a couple of schools around this area and it's a beautiful area, and there's a couple of spots that I remember just like walking past and thinking, oh, that would be nice to swim in. So that's what we're going to go and do today. We're going to go swim in the spots that I think I remember being nice and hope they still are nice, and I'm sure they will be. So let's drive to Shaw Prior. So, we have arrived and the place is like near Shaw Prior. It's called Cadover Bridge where we are now. I didn't know that until today. Yeah, we're going to park up and find a spot. As you can see, the wonderful British weather is back with us. Lovely May, spring weather. So, if I remember rightly, there is a rope swing along here somewhere as well. I'm doing a bit of rope swinging today.
Hopefully better than yesterday, yeah?
Yeah. Really cute little pathway. That spot looks pretty cool. I can't remember this one. Looks well cool. Nice deep little bit to swim in. Rapid take you down. That's quite a cool little spot, but we're going to get a bit further on, see if we can find the little rope swing that I think I can remember. Slide there. Nice little beach spot. Also looks like quite a fun camping spot. Love camping by the river.
You don't know this is tripwire?
Where was it? Oh, there. Nearly went flat on my face. So we're just walking down the river and I remember seeing this rope swing like 4 or 5 years ago, so it's probably not even here anymore. But yeah, we're just going to continue walking. If we don't find it, we go back up to that swim spot. If we do find it, winner! Right, we're back at the beach spot. We're going to get in here. Looks like the most fun place to get in. Today's swim spot. It's lush swimming in the rain. Oh, can't stand up there, don't want to drop the phone. That's better. Day 12. Swimming in the rain. Oh, there's something magical about swimming in the rain. How was your 2-second swim?
It's very nice.
Right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Well, that was fun. And I forgot to bring some clothes to get changed into, and almost I was absolutely drenched. So
Good job we had spare.
good job, Karina brought a hoodie, else I'd be fucking freezing right now. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. I mean, look at this weather! Great British weather! Bloody beautiful! So much fun though, well worth it.